Hello guys, you're welcome to CryptoSpace, my YouTube channel. CryptoSpace is actually a channel that's going to be telling you a whole lot about crypto. Going to be telling you about how to invest in crypto, the cryptos to invest in, and pumps to go in, and coins to buy, when to buy and when not to buy. And most importantly, I'm going to be doing videos on how you can identify fraudulent transaction in crypto. Now, there seems to be a lot of frauds going on in the crypto space lately, and you don't want to be a part of it, and you don't want to know anyone that is a part of it, because that thing can really hurt a whole lot. Having your hard-earned money swindled away from you by some fraudsters with your laptops and your phones, it hurts a whole lot. Now, but today I'm gonna be telling you how to invest short term, how to make short term profit within a very short space of time, within a month, within 2 weeks, and within a week. You can make a whole lot of profit trading crypto. And on today's video, I'm gonna be taking Bitcoin as our major currency for today's video. Now, how can I make short-term profits in crypto, real good money in crypto? Wait for it. So, trading and making profit short term can be very dicey, but you have to be very careful and follow my lead. Yeah. So our investment appetite is going to be $1,000. Now, assuming now that Bitcoin is in $40,000, but actually Bitcoin is in $43,000 plus today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at the 3k leverage ahead of the 40,000, and now we're buying at 40,000, which I'll always advise you to always buy the dip, always buy a crypto, a commodity, when the price is down, because when the price is down you buy more of that commodity, and when it comes up and then you sell, you make more money, you make more gain. And we all know how volatile the crypto market is. It fluctuates, it goes up and down. If you sit down in front of your computer for like a whole night, you should be able to see how the market goes up and when to buy and when not to buy. But that is going to take a lot of study for you. So this is how you make a short-term profit. Now it's on $40,000 on our instance, and then you buy Bitcoin worth $1,000, and then let's say in the next 30 minutes or in the next 1 hour or in the next 24 hours or in the next 2-3 weeks, it goes up to $43,000. You see, you've made an added $3,000 on top of that 40k you bought it. Now your investment appetite, don't forget that, is still $1,000. And if you waited for that $40,000 Bitcoin worth to get up to 43,000, you should be making roughly around 100 and something dollar. Yes, close to $112. That is what you should be making. But you should understand that this is a short-term, daily or weekly or monthly trade, so you don't have to be greedy. You don't have to think that it's a small amount of money, because when you do it this month, you do it next month, and when you do it this week, you do it next week. By so doing, you'll be accumulating, and when you calculate it in 2-3 months, you should see that you've made a good amount of money, a good amount of money. Now I'm gonna go over it again for emphasis. Always buy the dip, always buy the dip. Now let me replay it again. Assuming we're investing with $2,000 for instance, and Bitcoin dipped down to $35,000 what, and then we bought it at that point with our $2,000, and within a week or two Bitcoin grew to $40,000. You can see that it has added a $5,000 what to the actual market price as at the time we bought it with our $2,000. So at that point we should be making at about 200 and something dollar. And now that is good money, if you ask me. If we're not greedy, that is good money. And this can happen within a very short space of time. So this is how you're gonna make money short term trading crypto or Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies whatsoever. So if you find this video interesting, please subscribe and leave a comment. Actually, this is my first video on YouTube, so you can drop a comment, drop an advice, and whatever you've got to tell me. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.